In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Mailchimp emails. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the content section in the main navigation. This is where all your brand assets and files live, and it's the quickest path to organizing everything your emails will use. Inside content, head to the brand kit. The brand kit is Mailchimp's home for your logo, colors, and, of course, custom fonts. So setting it up now will save you time whenever you design a campaign. If you're seeing the option to set up your own brand, click Set It Up. This starts a simple guided flow to add your core brand elements. When you're prompted to upload a logo, you can add one now or skip and come back later. If you do upload, pick a clear, high-resolution file with some padding around the edges so it looks clean in headers and footers. Next, add your brand colors and click Next. You can paste hex codes if you have a style guide or sample colors directly. Choosing a primary color and a contrasting accent helps maintain accessibility, especially for buttons and links. Now it's time to upload a font. Click Add File in the Fonts area. Make sure you have the rights to use the font in marketing materials and use common formats like TTF or OTF. If your typeface has multiple weights or italics, upload each file so you can apply headings and body text consistently in your designs. Select the font file from your computer and click Open. Mailchimp will process the upload and show it in your brand kit. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment to finish processing and double check that you uploaded the correct file for the style you want. When everything looks good, click Save Brand Kit. Saving locks in your logo, colors, and the custom font so they're available across campaigns. From here on, when you design an email, your uploaded font will appear in the font picker within the email builder. Keep in mind that not all email clients support custom fonts. Mailchimp will automatically fall back to a similar web-safe font when necessary, so choose a fallback that matches your brand's look as closely as possible. It's a good idea to preview your email and send a test to see how the typography renders in different inboxes. That's it. You've added your custom font to Mailchimp through the brand kit, along with your logo and colors, so your future emails stay on brand with minimal effort. Keep your brand kit up to date, and you'll have a consistent, professional look every time you hit send.